ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਸਿੱਖਸ ਅਤੇ ਫੂਡ ਬੈਂਕ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਦੇ ਕੁਈਨਜ਼ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੋੜਵੰਦਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੋਜਨ ਵੰਡਿਆ ਗਿਆ।
How many adults in your household? Two. How many kids in your household? Four. How many females? Three. Please tell your neighbors we're here for a long time.
Okay, I will. Thank you guys.
Have a great day.
14 ਅਗਸਤ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਾਰਜ ਲਈ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਆਫ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਮੁਕਰਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਸੀ, ਜਿੱਥੇ 12 ਵਜੇ ਤੋਂ 2 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਭੋਜਨ ਸਮੱਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ।
So my name is Lamont Ray. I'm with Food Bank for New York City, and today we're doing a mobile pantry distribution here in Queens Village. And our goal is to provide 300 families with fresh produce as well as shelf-stable items. And we're doing this. This is our very first distribution, and our plans is to continue to do this on a monthly basis. So we plan to do this throughout throughout a 12-month time period. This is our very first distribution, and we're really excited about it. So Food Bank for New York City is the city's leading hunger relief organization. We have been providing meals and services to New Yorkers in need for more than 38 years. I'm trying to think. So on an average basis, we serve roughly 1.6 million New Yorkers in need. On average, we provide over a little more than 80 million free meals. Today's mobile pantry distribution is a partnership with the United Sikhs organization. But Food Bank for New York City, we're able to provide more than 80 million meals per year because we work with a little more than 1,000 member agencies, which are smaller soup kitchens and food pantries citywide. At Food Bank for New York City, we designated August to be Hunger Matao Month, and the reason why we chose August is because August is also India's Independence Day, which is on the 15th. So we decided to partner with United Sikhs because we want to make sure that we're mobilizing the Indian American community to not only provide meals and services to the Indian American communities in need, but also to all New Yorkers who are suffering from food insecurity.
ਮੌਸਮ ਅਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਜ਼ਾ ਭੋਜਨ, ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਅਤੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੱਕ ਵਰਤਿਆ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਭੋਜਨ ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਫੂਡ ਬੈਂਕ ਅਤੇ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਸਿੱਖਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਮੁਹੱਈਆ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਖ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਨਦੇਹੀ ਨਾਲ ਵਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਲਈ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਨਿਭਾਈਆਂ।
ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। We are humbled and blessed to be at the Guru Car on 222nd Street in Queens Village. This is our first food distribution in partnership with Food Banks of New York, and we are very honored to be part of this initiative. We already have many such initiatives going on nationally in California, in Jersey, and several other states. And in addition to that, we have a global initiative. So we are very honored to partner with our friends from Food Bank. Lamont, come on in. You already heard from Lamont, but we are very, yes, Lamont, thank you so much. So this is a momentous occasion where we partner together to feed people. That is one of the biggest initiatives, and I want to express my extreme gratitude for our volunteers here who are doing selfless seva, selfless service under these extremely harsh conditions. It's almost 100 degrees out here, but thank you so much. And Indrajit, I'd like you to say a few words. He's our coordinator and a community outreach manager.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We're greatly honored to be here and to be working with the Food Bank of New York City to better serve not only this community but New York City in general. We hope going forward we could do more such food drives, and not just Southeast Queens, but in Brooklyn, Bronx, and all the 5 boroughs. And we look forward to this partnership, and we're immensely blessed that we were able to come here and do selfless seva and help this Queens Village community to the best of our abilities. Thank you.